Namaste and good morning, dear children. Today we will read new lesson, Storm in the Garden. So let's begin. Sunu Sunu, the snail, was visiting his friends, the ants. They climbed all over him. He. They climbed under him. He. That means, what's the name of the snail? Sunu Sunu. Like we all have names, right? In the same way, name of the snail is Sunu Sunu. And this snail was visiting his friends. And who were his friends? The ants. And as he reached to see his friends, what they did? They climbed all over him, as you can see in the picture. They climbed under him and they were enjoying. Suddenly, a great white light crashed through the clouds. Sunu Sunu quickly pulled in his head, pulled in his tail, and sat very still. So what happened, dear children? Suddenly what happened? A white light crashed through the clouds. And Sunu Sunu, he pulled in his head, he pulled in his tail, he hid himself completely inside his shell and sat very still. डियर चिल्ड्रन, इस लेसन में एक स्नेल है जिसका नाम है सुनु सुनु और वो स्नेल अपने फ्रेंड्स के पास जाता है और उसके फ्रेंड्स कौन हैं? एंट्स। और वो सब साथ में खेल रहे हैं। एंट्स कभी उसके ऊपर चल रहे हैं, कभी उसके नीचे चल रहे हैं और वो लोग हंस रहे हैं, दे आर लाफिंग। अचानक से वाइट लाइट यानी आसमान से, क्लाउड से एक बिजली कड़कती है और सुनु सुनु क्या करता है? जल्दी से अपना हेड और अपनी टेल को शेल के अंदर छिपा लेता है एंड सेट वेरी स्टिल मतलब बिना हिले डुले वो वहाँ बैठ जाता है। Outside, the sky grew dark and the crows flew past. Caw, 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 caw. Oh, but where were the ants? Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers and looked for them. They were hiding under a pot. So what happened? You know, when storm comes, what happens? The sky is completely covered with black clouds. So the sky grew dark. Or all the birds flew back to their homes. In the same way, the crows flew past. और वहाँ पर बहुत शोर हो रहा था. कैसी साउंड निकाल रहे थे crows? Caw, 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 caw. But Sunu Sunu was worried about ants. So what happened? He took out his feathers. Dear children, can you see two antennas like thing on the head of the snail? Yes, these are feelers. These act as their sense organ. On one of the feelers they have eye, and this remaining long part of the feeler, it acts as a nose with which they can detect smell. So what snail did? She stuck out his feelers and looked for them. Looked for whom? Looked for ants. और ants कहाँ पर छुपी थी? They were hiding under a flower pot. Go home, Sunu Sunu. The ants cried out. Hurry, hurry. Your mother will worry. Sunu Sunu went to his mother, where she sat under a stone near the well. So what ants said? Ants ने कहा that Sunu Sunu, just go home. Your mother will be worried. Why she will be worried? Because Sunu Sunu is a small snail, no? And he's all alone in the garden when storm is there. So his mother would be worried. So ants told him to go home. Sunu Sunu went to his mother. जब सुनु सुनु अपनी मम्मा के पास पहुंचा तो उसने देखा उसकी मदर कहाँ छुपी हुई है? वेल यानी कुआं, जहाँ से हम वाटर फैच करते हैं। वेल के पास एक स्टोन है, वहाँ पर उसकी मदर छुपी हुई थी। Amma, said Sunu Sunu, there's a storm in the garden. I heard the wind blow, blow, blow. Ooh, 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 ooh. So what Sunu Sunu is telling? He is telling, Amma, मैंने देखा गार्डन में क्या आया हुआ है? स्टॉर्म यानी तूफ़ान आया हुआ है। और विंड कैसे ब्लो कर रही है? वो विंड की तरह आवाज़ निकाल के अपनी मम्मा को सुनाता है। I saw trees sway, sway, sway. शे 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 शे, यानी ट्रीज़ जो आगे पीछे मूव कर रहे थे विंड के साथ, वो उनकी साउंड भी निकाल के अपनी मम्मा को सुनाता है. I saw lightning flash, flash, flash. झज़क झज़क झज़क. सो ऐसे वो लाइटनिंग की भी आवाज़ निकाल के मम्मा को सुनाता है. सो अभी स्टॉर्म में क्या क्या हुआ है, वॉट ऑल हैज़ हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग स्टॉर्म. द विंड इज़ ब्लोइंग, द ट्रीज आर स्वेइंग एंड लाइट इज़ फ्लैशिंग. नेक्स्ट, I heard thunder roll, 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 grum, 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 grum. So he is telling कि जो thundering हो रही है, जो sky से lightning हो रही है, वो कैसी sound आ रही है उसकी, grum, grum. I heard rain fall, fall, fall. Sit, sit, pit, pit, sit, sit, pit, pit. So he is telling कि rain कैसे fall कर रही है, उसकी भी sound निकाल के वो मम्मा को सुनाता है. I heard water drip, drip, drip. Plip, 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 plip. It was the biggest storm Sunu Sunu had ever been in. Oh, oh, shay, shay, zag, zag, grum, grum. Sit, sit, pit, pit, sit, sit, pit, pit. Plip, 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 plip. And you know what? Sunu Sunu didn't get wet. Do you know why? Tell me children, why Sunu Sunu didn't get wet? Yes, because he hid himself inside the shell. लेसन के लास्ट में सुनु सुनु मम्मा को बताता है कि कैसे विंड ब्लो कर रही थी, trees were moving, lightning was there and the dripping of water. So he was making sound for all those things and explaining it to his mother. So that's all for today. Goodbye, dear children.